Hi, in this lesson we're going to install the Unity Hub. In order to install Unity in our computer and some other resources for this course, just type in download Unity Hub and you're going to see this first link, unity3d.com, or this link, download Unity, storeunity.com, download NUA. Okay, both of them are okay because we're going to download the installer, and you're going to see here, choose your Unity plus download or download Unity Hub. We're gonna click download Unity Hub and you're going to see this file, unityhub.setup.x, and then you save it. The same thing we can do it if we go to unity.com, because Unity homepage changes quite often, so we can do the same thing from different places. We can go here to products and then get started, and here you can see individuals and business. For this course you can choose the personal edition or the student edition. The differences are these ones. For students, you can see the conditions that you have to meet in order to sign up for a student version. You get the latest version of the core Unity development, 5 seats of Unity Teams Advanced, Dark Theme UI, and real-time cloud diagnostics. For Personal Edition, if your revenue is less than 100K in the last 12 months, then you get the latest version of the core Unity development platform, resources for getting started, and learning Unity. So for this course, it's just enough to get started for Personal Edition. So for first-time users, you click Start here. These are the terms that you have to accept in order to download, and then you see that you get Unity Hub setup.x. If anything changes in this page, you just go to unity.com products and follow those links. Okay, so save the Unity Hub setup and then we're going to launch the installer. I got my file downloaded. I'm going to double click in order to begin installing Unity Hub. I'm going to accept that this app applies some modifications in my computer. I accept the terms and conditions, and then I leave this route as the default folder for Unity Hub. Click the install button, and after installation is complete, we can execute Unity Hub. So let's close this window and execute Unity Hub. When we launch Unity Hub, we have this screen with projects, tab on the left, learn, where you have resources for learning Unity online. You got projects that you can download, you have tutorials that you can follow, and here you have the installs. As you can see, for a new installation, we don't have any Unity version. We can click on Add at the top right of our screen, and then there are different versions of Unity that we can install in our computer. In this case, we're going to install the latest version, that is 2020.10f1. Okay, let's click next, and then if you don't have Visual Studio Community installed into your computer, we're gonna flag this option so that we have an editor to program in C#. We can also use Visual Code, use a small version and free as this one, but you have a better autocomplete options when using Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2019. So flag this option, and here we have different options that we can add later on in order to give Android build support, iOS build support, tvOS, Linux build support, etc. WebGL for deploying our game into the browser, and so on. We can also download the documentation, so we can have access to the documentation even when we are offline. Okay, so I leave these two options, documentations and Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2019. I'm gonna unflag this one because I already have Visual Studio. I'm gonna click done. As you can see here on top of this window, small window that you see here below installs, there is this blue line that indicates that Unity Hub is downloading Unity. So let's wait some seconds. It depends on your network speed. Alright, finally Unity has been installed. Here you can see that if we click on the 3 dots, we have the possibility to add modules like we've seen at the beginning of the installation. Okay, so we can go back to this menu and install new modules. We can show in Explorer if you want to see where Unity has been installed, or uninstall this version if we want to install a new one. In the next lesson, we're going to see how to create a new project and how to create our first script, Hello World. See you soon. Bye.